Authorities are concerned about an emerging cluster in the InnerWest.
They are, Danica. A new 6-person cluster, all from the same extended family, has emerged in Croydon Park with no links to the Northern Beaches outbreak. Now, those infections are from 3 different households and there are dozens of close contacts, so authorities are warning that they expect case numbers to rise. New South Wales recorded 18 infections yesterday. 9 of those are connected to the Northern Beaches outbreak, taking that cluster there to 134. 3 are from Wollongong and also North Sydney, and they are under investigation. 17,000 people came forward for testing in New South Wales yesterday, but the Australian Medical Association says that that's not enough.
There haven't been enough tests the last 2 days. They've been about half the number of tests they need to do. So they've probably only got about half the probability of being able to pick up all the cases at the moment. So the ones we're seeing may not be all of them. We're still to see the results of the post-Christmas sales, and they're walking into this test match.
The new cases have prompted authorities to effectively cancel New Year's Eve celebrations. If you're in Greater Sydney, you can now only have 5 visitors over to your home. And although the midnight fireworks will be going ahead, the Sydney foreshore will be closed off to revellers. The New South Wales Health Minister, Brad Hazzard, says that he's sorry. This will be a New Year's Eve like no other.
People just need to understand that it is probably the most dangerous place you can be is in your own home when you have friends and visitors come along, because we all tend to feel like, oh, well, they're our relatives, they're our friends, they can't have COVID, but they can. And the latest Croydon cluster indicates that when you have large family groups gathering together, it's a huge problem. So I'm really sorry about this, but for this New Year, it's going to have to be a little quieter than, actually a lot quieter than previous New Years, or hopefully future New Years.
Danica, we are of course standing by to hear from the New South Wales Premier Gladys Berejiklian. She is expected to hold a press conference at 11 o'clock with the latest coronavirus numbers.
OK, we will of course bring that one to you live. Gab, thank you for the update.